Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to work with Spatial Persona Templates in the simulator on VisionOS 2 beta. So you want to set up a FaceTime call under features here, FaceTime, and I like to choose the 4 spatial participants. So they're going to come in as a FaceTime, but they're not spatial yet. So if you were to try and do your persona template, you would notice that they just stay here. You're like, wait, what? It's broken. There's no feature, right? So what you want to do is tap on one of these guys to bring up this context menu. Then you can hit this spatial button, and that's going to pop them into actually spatial people. And the simulator just shows them kind of floating a little bit in these different spots. If I move around, I can actually see, oh, there's the test cat and test alien. So I've got all four of them around me. If I were to start my SharePlay or start my immersive stuff, and I've got a template configured out, they would pop into the right spots according to my template. And so you can kind of see that, how they'll drop into your default spots. If you're trying to test out things with roles or anything that has messages passing back and forth after you establish a SharePlay, you're not really going to be able to do it from the simulator. You really need 2 devices to do that. And you may or may not want to look at, making an iPhone version if you don't have access to 2 Vision Pros or easy access to another person with another Vision Pro, so you can actually set up the connection across. It's a good idea to do it from either Mac app or an iPhone app, and pass those messages around so that you can do the different testing on those parts as well, because you'll have access to the messages on device, but not amongst the simulator and these pretend participants. They're not doing those parts. They just kind of do the automatic behavior, get placed in one spot, and you're ready to go. So it does do quite a bit. You can test out your templates and see the positions. It's pretty cool. And then as you move around, you can change roles, right, for your one person, but they're not going to change roles. So there's some limits, but definitely a lot you can test out and kick the tires on without having to go straight to hardware. So, all right, hope you found this useful. Let me know if you have other thoughts or other things you found with the simulator that it's good for with this, and the FaceTime spatial persona template testing stuff. So happy coding! I'm excited to see what you all build.